Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. Today I'll be doing a two-part video on deboning a pork leg. And on the second part, I'll be showing you how to use the deboned pork leg into different cuts and roasts. So first, get your pork leg, as we have here. And easiest part is to open up one end of the pork leg and work your way down. So first, I'll be scooping out the meat off the hip bone here. Just put your knife in, scoop it, and you can see the bone there, or hear it. And so put all that there. And you make your first cut, just get your tip of your knife and follow the bone around. See how I've done that? And just repeat that again. Down. And then here, you'll see a little ball joint. Just cut it in there, and then you'll open up the meat more. And just keep on going around that bone, as I am. Come there, using the tip of your knife, down, down, peel it off, slowly does it. Let me put that in there. And then if you're looking here, this is the rump of the pork, but we'll get into that more in the second part of the video. Then I turn the leg around like that, so then you have, if you look here, you might see a little seam. A seam comes in here, so then this is what you're going to aim for. So you put your knife in like that on the hip, on the ball joint, and then we're just going to go straight down the leg muscle. So your knife will be on the leg muscle as you go down. Go down, and then here you're going to go the opposite way there, and you're going to open up the leg. And here there's a knee, like your knee, you can see it in there, clicking on it. Just cut down, and that'll open up the leg a lot easier for you. Do the same here on the opposite side. Just carry on with your knife down the leg, down the bones. So you've opened it all up, as you can see. And then a little trick that I do is I cut on the tendon there, so that'll open it up even more. So you see the tendon there, straight down with your knife, easy peasy. This bit here, over there, around the leg, straight down, holding the bone as you go. Follow the bones. Straight down. And that takes it out. You have a little bit of meat here on the shin bone. You can scoop that out later. But that's right there is opening the whole pork leg up, taking the main bone out, and then on the second video, which we'll do, we'll be taking this into different parts on how to use it, how to use a pork leg into better cuts for you and your family at home. And remember to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.